Fuck on me. Nigga, you know that I'm just up your wifey. You know that you love her. I'll do you dirty, yeah.
So I just want to say this happy birthday, big bro. We love you so much, and yeah, we just wanted to say happy birthday.
We love you really much, and we appreciate how much you give us money.
So we just wanted to say thank you because we love you very much.
Bye.
So happy birthday.
Princess is also gonna wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, say happy birthday to your day.
Happy birthday.
Say what you think. Say what you want to say, bro.
Okay, thank you for everything you've done and stuff. For giving us paying us and stuff, giving us some money.
We love you very much. We love you very much. So we just wanted to say that. Wait, hold on. We just wanted to say happy birthday to you. Well, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Baba.
And we love you.
I love you.
We
love you.
now.
Happy birthday, Victor. Thank you for giving us so much money to buy candy. And thank you for all the things you're doing for us. Thank you for all the money. Thank you for... I love you. And we love you too. And thank you for appreciate us. Thank you. Bye.
Nigga, you know that I'm just up your wifey.